I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to walk you through how to edit teams of people using the Teams tool on your GforGov website. As you can see, this is what a team will look like on your site. There can also be pictures within these squares for each person. To edit an existing team such as this, you will first need to go to your admin console. You can either find your Teams tab on the side menu or find your Manage Teams on the dashboard. Here you can see all of your teams. The team on the previously shown page was City Council, and so I'm going to go to that team. At the top of this page you'll notice an Add New button. This is for adding a new team, not a new member. This is something that I will be going into in our Creating Teams video. Under that is the title of your team. You can edit simply by clicking and typing. For members, you can edit the first name here, the last name here, and the job or role here. The description is what will show up in your box underneath the name and/or picture. You can also add a social media link down here. This is where you can add a member's photo, which will show up above their name. To add a new member, you simply scroll to the bottom of your page and select Add a Member. If you scroll up and look in the top right, you can see that the way in which the teams are displayed can also be edited. If you remember, our team has 2 per line, but that can be changed here. You can also change whether or not a photo links to a new window or opens within the same window. You can change your font from default to your theme, and you can also change the color that will appear on the top of each box. Here you'll notice a shortcode. This is what you will copy and paste onto another page in which you want the team to be displayed on. I will be going over this as well in the Creating Teams video. In the next box, you can edit whether or not your team is published. You can put it under pending review or save it as a draft, which will take it off of the site for anyone visiting. You can also change whether or not the public can see it, someone with a password can only see it, or if it's completely private. The last thing you can edit on this box is the date of publishing. This is also where you can move the entire board into the trash. Once everything is the way you would like, select Update, and then go back to your page to make sure everything looks correct.